Starting around 26 October 2023, really smooth love elixir sort of is exchanging at $0.001 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in most recent 1 hour in a quite large manner. SLP most certainly has a really complete market cap of $61,879,725, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,090,211 in an unobtrusive manner. This really makes commonly smooth love mixture, SLP, most certainly positioning at 319 in the digital currency market, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the fundamentally smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will truly smooth love mixture truly be worth in 2023 in a significant manner? Is especially smooth love elixir and all things considered, wise speculation are especially worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is very critical. Will SLP cost by and large outperform its record-breaking high, which especially is very huge? These truly are our very smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, or so they really thought. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the smooth love mixture estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost generally is supposed to for the most part cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.002, the normal genuinely least value worth of kind of smooth love elixir, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to essentially be $0.002. Which generally is genuinely critical. Besides, SLP can essentially arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.002, or so they generally thought. SLP value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of extremely smooth love mixture generally is determined to for the most part be at around a kind of least worth of $0.002, showing that besides SLP can especially arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.002, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The essentially smooth love mixture value worth can fundamentally arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.002, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. SLP value estimate September 2023. Concerning September 2023, in every practical sense, smooth love mixture sort of is supposed to all things considered arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.002, which especially is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.002, with the extremely normal cost around $0.002 in an especially significant manner. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for kind of smooth love mixture in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in a by and large enormous manner. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.002 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of commonly smooth love elixir especially is essentially anticipated to arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.002 and a truly least of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for in every practical sense, smooth love elixir in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, or so they essentially thought. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.002, further appearance how SLP by and large has an extremely complete market cap of $61,879,725, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,090,211, or so they sort of thought. Smooth love mixture certainly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been truly diminished by 1.23% in its by and large current worth, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we especially look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap essentially is likewise down, so on the off chance that we for the most part think about the by and large current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap truly is additionally down in a genuinely huge manner. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the SLP really was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 3.41% in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir truly has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to really dive right in and contribute, or so they explicitly thought. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP in a real sense diminished by 50.056%, killing an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.001 from its especially current worth, exhibiting that while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.002. Further appearance how SLP basically has a truly complete market cap of $61,879,725, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,090,211, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down really implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a genuinely decent in a real sense purchase, a potential open door for speedy speculation, showing how SLP generally has an all-out market cap of $61,879,725, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,090,211 in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change in every way that really matters is near 49.26%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a genuinely least most certainly normal cost of $0.003 to genuinely greatest extremely normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days in a genuinely large manner. Smooth Love Elixir is somewhere around 27.54% with the in every practical sense greatest sort of normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $0.002, and the really least truly normal cost of in every practical sense was around $0.002 in beyond 4 months, or so they all things considered thought. Smooth Love Elixir Value Figure 2023 Facts. What will really be truly Smooth Love Mixture most certainly worth in 2023, truly in spite of mainstream thinking? The SLP cost really is estimated to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of $0.002, with for the most part least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023 in every way that really matters as opposed to mainstream thinking. Does pretty Smooth Love Mixture especially have a future, which for the most part is genuinely huge? As far as cost, beautiful Smooth Love Mixture all things considered has an exceptional sort of potential to arrive at new levels incredibly basically. It basically is gauged that SLP will increment in esteem in an especially enormous way. As per sort of unambiguous specialists and business